24th of November, and I'm gonna take the boat up from the water. So I got 2 people meeting me up at a marina, and we're gonna take the boat up at their place there. And I really hope it works good, because their crane can only lift 10 tons and this boat weighs 8, but I think more 9 tons. And I have to fix the trailer a bit more when the boat is on it, so I have to adjust some things. So it will be an interesting day. It's been a chilly week. We have had down to 8-9 degrees Celsius. Today it's just 2 minus, and it's gonna turn and be warmer up to the plus side. And for you who wonder, yes, she is still leaking. Not that much, but it's still leaking. So when I get the boat up, in the springtime I'm gonna start fixing all the repairs on it. So that's the major plan. So she will be on land. I can fix it when she's dry. So that's really nice. Yeah, look at that, some ice. That's nothing for this cruiser. It's very thin ice. I'm holding 5 knots and barely no wind, just slightly wind against me, but that's nothing. Yeah, I managed to get her up on the trailer and up on dry land. That was a big relief for me. I didn't have so much time to record the process and everything, but I made these studs and it supports the weight and the balancing all good. So it fits really good on this trailer. Also made a small support back here, just in case. It wasn't so easy to get her in the spot here. When we were driving up here on the road, towed it behind the tractor, we're turning around and a pretty sharp turn, and that made one of the axles, for the turning on this side, on this wheel, to break, because it was turning too much. We didn't see that coming. So I need to do some reparations on this axle. It's totally loose, so I have to fix that, new bolt and things, fill in some air in the tires. And I also saw, I think it's on this side, you can see also on the base here, it's about to crack. That's a no-go. So I have to fix some things with the trailer. Otherwise it went really good. The crane managed to lift her up really good. It's a really good crane, so no issues with that. Otherwise no issues, so I'm pleased with it. Yeah, so here she lays. I continue with the engine pretty soon. Right now it's in the end of Mars, so yeah, I'm gonna continue here pretty soon with the engine, do some work with it, see if I can unseize it. Yeah, let's see you guys in the next movie. Ciao.